Life lately. No matter what life sends you, work hard and you will prevail.
Could we ever change this song into something beautiful, like the beauty that we've seen? I'm asking you, lover, why do you have to be so...
Alright, I'm gonna drive down through. Yeah. Probably should have trimmed a little better. Alright. What a nightmare. What a nightmare. A big deer track in here. 2 or 3. There goes that deer. There. Oh man. So I'm trying to get this tree out of here today. The fifth, sixth tree. I don't know. 10th tree, 20th. There's a bunch of them. This is the biggest one in the yard. So we'll getting it. Just cut that limb off there. I don't want it to be a widowmaker. Hit me in the head. Oh. It's a big tree. Alright, let me get to cutting. Alright, so the electric company came and they disconnected our power because it was underneath this tree that I've been cutting on for the last hour. And they completely disconnected it from the tab up there. Removed it from the transformer. It was up underneath here. They didn't cut any. I thought they would, I was like, please cut some branches. They didn't cut nothing. They just drug it out underneath there and left it for me. Of course, I knew that was what was gonna happen. Anyway, so I'm a-cutting, trying to keep from getting killed. It's resting on that one little branch down there. That's all that's holding it up. Little branch and that little branch right there. So, trying to be careful. It crushed on my observatory a little bit. Put a little dent in it. A love tap, if you will. That is what it is. Alright, so I'm sawing it piece by piece. Got a great big pile over there. Oh gosh, how am I gonna get rid of all this stuff? I'll be glad when I get a dumpster in here. One step at a time, that's all we can do. Ours over there, we're trimming a path, so now we got a path through there. We couldn't get through. We had to go through the woods over there and over a fence. So we got rid of our branches all through here, so making a path. Be able to get our wagon through there. I might drag the dome, we'll disassemble it, put it over there somewhere, get it out of the way. I'm gonna take it to Arizona anyways, so maybe. What do you think?
Oh, I think we're doing good.
Marv says we're doing good. Alright, day 34. How many days has it been? I don't know. Nightmare. The adventure continues. Whew. It just bit me.
Give me the key so
Got ants in my pants.
Give me the key so I can.
Huh?
Wide awake, all the memories are on replay. I reach for you, but you're thousands of miles away. Every heartbeat, every cherry red is filled with thoughts of you. I am so lost without you, and I don't know what to do. Sleepless nights.
There's Marv. He's got a load of Fiesta. We're taking it back to my dad's house. He loves his Fiesta. Oh, it is still muddy. He thought he could drive the lawnmower through here. Like, you're crazy, man. The lawnmower ain't gonna go through here. If they had lockers, maybe. 4-wheel drive. He thinks he's a mud bucker. Oh, I wouldn't even try the Subaru. I'll get it. Scene. Walking the trail, getting the mail. Junk mail.
Junk mail.